Okay, so here we are on number 5. We are going to write an equation. So here we go. So we know here, okay, so number 5. And I'm a visual person, so I'm going to write it like this. So negative 18 and negative 2. So how far away are they? So they're 16 apart. Divide by 2 and we get 8. This is my amplitude. Okay. You either can start from negative 8, go down towards the center to 8, or from 2. No matter where we are, we're at negative 10, and this is our midline. Okay. So they tell us our period is 2 pi over 3. I guess I'll just do this. So here's our equation. 8 sine of something minus 10. Okay. So to calculate b, it's 2 pi divided by 2 pi over 3. Keep, change, flip. And here the 2 pi's cancel and b equals 3. Okay. Now here comes the part that is giving us the most grief, is that phase shift. So remember, phase shift formula is opposite of c over b. They tell us phase shift is 3 pi over 7. And we don't know c, and b is 3. Cross multiply. So we get 9 pi equals negative 7c. Divide by negative 7. I can't reduce, so it's just 9 pi over negative 7. And that is it. So minus 9 pi over 7. Okay, let's do it again. Let me draw me a line. Okay, so our high is at 14 to negative 12. So they are 12, 14, 26 apart. Divide by 2 and we get 13. If I go down 13 from 14, ooh, that kind of came out fun. That puts me at 1. So I know my equation is 13 sine of something plus 1. Okay. B is 2 pi divided by pi over 4. Keep, change, and flip. So the pi's cancel. So 2 times 4 is 8. There's our B value. Phase shift is 2 pi over 5 equals opposite of C over 8. Cross multiply, negative 5C, and divide by negative 5. So negative 16 pi over 5. And there's your final answer. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Now let's get to number 6. So we get 9 equals cosecant squared theta plus 5. Okay, subtract 5. And we get 4 equals cosecant squared theta. To undo a square, we take the square root. Here, because we put that square root in there, please do not forget that plus or minus. Okay, so if I put this over 1, we flip it. And we flip this side and we get sine. So when does sine equal 1/2, regardless if it's positive or negative? So the answer is going to be pi over 6. Pi over 6 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. Please remember all of the denominators should be the same. Okay. Let's do 6. I'm doing the one underneath, so 2 plus 2 secant theta. So subtract the 2, and you get 4 equals 2 secant. Divide by 2, and we get 2 equals secant. Nice thing about here is that we didn't take the square root. So put this over 1 and flip it, and we get 1/2 is equal to cosine. And that answer is going to be pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Okay. -2 plus 3 cosine theta is equal to 2 square roots 2 minus 2. Ooh, we're having fun. Cosine theta. Okay, we have a lot going on here. So here we go. What I'm going to do is let's add this 2 or this 2 together. And what happens is those go away. Minus cosine. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is add cosine to both sides. And I get 4 cosine theta is equal to 2 square root 3. Okay, divide by 4. And I can reduce this by 2. And we get square root 3 over 2. Okay, and so we look at the unit circle. One is cosine square root of 3 over 2 positive, and that would be at pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. Okay, what I'm going to do is go ahead and end this video now, and then we'll do the tangent cotangent problems and number 7. See you later.